It's nas100 top-down analysis using pure price action with Lingar FX.
It is what it is, guys. This is Linga FX. I hope you are good, guys. So, before you watch this video, can you like and press that subscribe button and also comment, guys? Comment. Maybe tell me whether I should just touch certain things further and maybe get deeper using the pure price action in a certain pair of your choice. Understand? Maybe those things that you wanna understand about pure prediction to these different pairs, gold, Nasdaq, understand, which are quite different pairs. So, and you have to attempt them in a certain way. So here we have Nasdaq, which is nas100. Understand? So using pure price action for my strategy, I start from the 1 week when I do the top down analysis. From the 1 week, I just mark my high, which is this that I've marked right now, and this is my low. Understand? So it acts as my resistance, and this acts as my support where the impulse started. So after seeing, okay, I've marked my high and low. Now I will just check, are we bullish or bearish? So from where the impulse started, I will connect my trend line, which helps me to check direction and connect it nicely to the correction that we have, which is this one. Understand? Because you have to know, guys, bear in mind when you see that the market is bullish and is moving impulsively to the high direction. So to higher direction. So you have to know that the market will retest to so that the market will continue having that momentum to push. So for the market to buy, the market should sell. Understand? Because for the market to have this impulse move, this retracement or this correction was needed for the market to continue forming new highs, which is this high higher than this one. So as now we are currently on new highs, so we have another area here which acts as our strong support, which was a resistance that was violated before. So now we are checking that we are bearing something that happened last week, probably on Friday. uh Nasdaq, we call those sales on Nasdaq. Knowing that in mind, okay, we are new highs, we have to check, wait for some confirmation, clear confirmation that we will sell in the near future. Boom. Let me just show you something. After seeing the formation of the candles, if you can see these two candles can tell a lot about what will happen to the market. You see these two candles, their momentum, their formation of the candle. You see, it shows that buyers are losing that power to continue pushing high. So we know that, okay, when the buyers are lacking, we know that, okay, if they are lacking for sure, we will wait for the market to do what is called correction. So we'll connect it clearly our upper trend line. So now, as you can see, the market is doing the impulse correction. Now we are just in a correction phase. So let us mark our strong zone that we've just recently touched, where we look the market to react on, which is this one, guys. Yeah, which is this one. So now we expect the market to come here because the market normally repeats itself. Come here and continue pushing high, forming new highs. We never know where the highs will react themselves to correct this direction. It's either it moves to 30,000, you never know, and then it just drop to this area. So yeah, but the formation of candles will tell us. So then from the 1 week, we'll just go to the 1 day top down analysis. Bear it in mind, guys. We look the upper and the lower area, which are the zones, strong zone, which is support and resistance. After that, we connect nicely our trend line from the points where the correction takes place. Understand? So after doing that, we just go to the lower time frame, scaling down, doing the top down analysis, which is a 1 day, and then let us see what we are going to check because we are done of what we were expecting here. Let us see what we're going to have in the daily time frame. Understand? so that we can be sure that okay, the market, our next direction will be sells. So having that in mind, we know that okay, after we say that okay, we're bearish, but we can't just enter randomly. We have to have a point where we'll be having those position which will be uh, good for us, no loss, no harm. Because sometimes you become stopped out because not that you are wrong, but just that you entered in a wrong area. Understand? That's why when you enter, you have to have three confirmations so that you can be sure of that direction. Understand? So yeah, let us check the day. This is our low of the day. Let us mark it, but there is no need of marking this one because what we need right now is the current market to see how we're going to enter on Monday during New York session, which is 3:30. So yeah, here we are, guys. Right now, we see now that we have this long candle. So there are zones here that we can mark. Meaning that in the daytime frame, we've marked this low of the daily, this low as our support for this daily movement from this daily market structure. So now we have this zone where the market just violate. So now where the market is, maybe when the market close below, no, the market close above this one. So yeah, we know that okay, the market might respect that one, which will be the next week Monday or candle opening. It either market open high, maybe show up a week and continue, maybe the candle will open to show up a week and continue dropping, targeting this retracement to this strong zone that we have, which is this one, guys. I hope everything is clear. So now we'll just jump to our um what you call to our 4 hours. So let us see whether we have these touches here. Nice. We see that from this low impulse, we have this retracement for the market to show that okay, it's being bullish. So the market did break it. So let us see. Let us scale down to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, guys, make sure that you look for the support and resistance to the 4 hour. Understand? To the 4 hour. Nice. Here we are right now. Here we are right now. So you see, let us remove this because it will just cause some problems. Okay, now guys, we have to just look on this structure, which is a 4 hour. We will mark our resistance, our current resistance, guys. Just bear in mind that we are looking for an entry. Understand? So just forget about those weekly resistance. You just check on those ones when the market is about to approach those certain areas. Understand? This is our resistance and this is our support. And guys, look, to see that the market is changing direction, we have these two touches here. Understand? This touch and another touch here. Understand? These two touches, which is a double top. Understand? The market showed that okay, we will be selling. We were able to catch these sells. Understand? And yeah, as we can see, guys, now the market is about, the market already reached this area. Understand? Which is this area where the market respected with some correction and it just break it, but it wasn't retraced. Understand? The market didn't retrace on it, so now the market did tap on it. Understand? Can you just look the formation of the candles, this long candle here? So now we will mark those possible reversal zone. This is my zone, because the market, you are looking for the market to retrace, because you see that the market is just break these two strong zone here. and bear it in mind it's a 4 hours. So or what we expect on Monday, maybe the market will come to retrace here and continue selling. Understand? So guys, don't bother yourself about the formation of the new candle here. You when the market open on Monday, just wait. Understand? Because now we know that the formation of the new candle here will just show a week if we will continue sell hard. But we will, because we check on the higher time frame that this is the strongest area that we have to respect here. Understand that we have to retrace it because it's the area which wasn't retraced previously, meaning that we have orders done here. The market will be interested to this area so that we will continue pushing high. As I've said before, that we have to sell for us to continue buying hard. So now we know that okay, the formation of the candle, you never know. Maybe the week will be half of this one, maybe here or here. But if the market come here, we'll know okay, the market is retesting this zone, and then you are good to enter for sales to this resistance, to this support that we have. So that let us check to the 1 hour. 1 hour is whereby I'm looking for an entry, understand, and confirmation. Whether I say order block or I see a double top. As you can see, this is a double top, guys. It's now clear in 1 hour, and we had this order block. Is in an order block, some called thingy engulfing candle, because if you mark here, you see this is an order block, you see. But we have seen okay that this is an engulfing candle. Entry was here, and it was nice. If you didn't enter here, this was your perfect entry, because you see that okay, this candle engulfed this one to show that okay, we are bearish. And plus, after seeing okay, we have an engulfing candle, showcase we will be selling hard, as there is an area there that we didn't retrace. So now guys, what I can say to you, just wait for the market to come here, understand, so that you can make a beautiful entry, a beautiful entry. But I normally use different techniques so that I can enter even if the market doesn't respect this area. I use this tool, knowing that if the market is in this area, premium and discount, I'm expecting the market to drop, because the market might open a week like this, understand, here, like the week can be small here. Just wait for it, and for the next candle, which will be 1 hour, when the candle close below, you enter to the next one, understand, because the next one will be retesting here, understand, this one. Just check 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah, I pretty believe that the market might come here. But if it doesn't, just wait for the formation of the candle. If it shows up a small wick here, just wait for it to break this one. If it close below, the next candle that will open to the next hour, you enter. Understood? I think it's clear. It's loud and clear. I think it's loud and clear. So if the market doesn't respect this, we wait for the market to close below here so that we can continue having those beautiful, beautiful cells. Thank you, guys.